How to create document on DocuSign. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, open up your DocuSign account, and after that you need to click on this option of Start Now. And you can also drop a document over there instead of clicking Start Now, and it will start on its own. And after that you just have to click on this option of Upload. Then you can select whether you want to upload from your desktop or you want to use a template, or there are some other options as well like Google Drive, Dropbox, Inbox and OneDrive. You can use any of the option in order to upload that particular document that you want to create, and after that you can provide the details of recipient. And in case if you are the only signer on that particular document, then just simply select this option. Otherwise, provide the details of the person who is also going to sign on this document. You can also add more recipients by clicking on this option of Add Recipient. And this way you would be able to send this particular document to all the other parties involved for this particular document on their email. And you can also add message to it, like you can provide the purpose for this particular document as the subject and then enter the message like the deadline for this particular message to be signed. And this way all these stakeholders involved in this particular document will be able to know exactly what they are signing for, and this is how you will be able to create a document on DocuSign. I hope this video was helpful. If you still need any help, you can always comment down below. Our team will be happy to help you out. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.